2021 glow season. Welcome to my channel, clickety clack. Don't forget to double tap, like, subscribe, comment, and follow. Let me know what you think, cause we finna get lit. You already know. Welcome to my channel. Oh, her, body that. Oh, her, like dang, too sweet. Okay, let's do that. Hello, welcome to the Candy House. It's your girl Too Sweet, aka Jinx. I'm pretty. I'ma just keep my hair in the hairstyle that I have it, which is a half up, half down. And I am going to show you how I maintain the curl pattern that's in right now. Like as in my other videos, I show you how I dip the hair, all that. But I'm gonna just show you like when the hair is already curled and I really don't feel like going through the whole process of, flat ironing my hair, brushing it out and doing that. Right now, I have my spray bottle with my water and conditioner inside of it. And as you can see, I'm just spraying the hair. And when I spray the hair, I just scrunch it up, like, crunching it, scrunching it, however you want to say it. But I'm just making sure I'm getting the hair and I'm trying to pull it apart, like finger combing, detangle the curls without combing it and stuff. And I just go in spraying it. And I'm not stingy with the water. I go in with it because the more moisture, the better for you. So yeah, don't be afraid to spray the hair up. It's not going to mess up the curls. If anything, I feel like it gives the curls a little bit more life. It gives the curls a little bit more juiciness. And it actually gives the curls a nice little touch of color, shine and all that. So then I go in with my Pantene Body and Volume hair mousse. This is only $2. This is only $2. It does smell good. And as you can see, I try to ball the hair up just so I could keep the curl pattern nice. It does not cause frizz. If anything, like I said, it makes the hair nice and smooth, makes it moist, and it makes the curls bounce back into place. Like I said, doing this method, I could keep the curl pattern in longer without having to dip the hair and go through that process. So this is what I really do to keep my braids and my crochets nice and looking up to good part and good day and just slaying all the time. And then I'm going to touch it up with a nice little lip gloss. So it doesn't really take much for me to maintain. I just do water, conditioner, and mousse. And I just do a lot of hand movement, finger combing, and crunching up the hair just to keep the curls nice. So there you have it. This is the end result, and this is how I keep my curls to look nice and the hairstyle to last. Okay, so basically that's just how I keep my curls moisturized, keep them, nice and neat before I have to, go through the whole process of straightening the hair and recurling it to keep it moisturized, to keep it nice looking so the curls could still have that fresh look. Just mist it with, and we'll just spray it with some water and conditioner, and then get any type of mousse that you use for your hair you like, and then rub some mousse and scrunch the hair up. And that's how you can keep the curls. Like I said, it is braiding hair, it is synthetic hair, but you can try to make it look like something. So I hope this video does help. I will be trying to do another video where I do different hairstyles other than this one, but all in all, it's summertime, it's getting hot, and like I said, I am glad I got braids in my hair. Because lately I feel like it's me versus me. Don't see competition, so would you compete? Don't even gotta be, well, still gonna be, yeah. I make a back of my sleep, because, oh, like, dang, too sweet.